Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Sumit Rawat MBBS. So friends, we continue our examination of cranial nerve that we earlier talked about the 3, 4th and 6th cranial nerve. This video now the examination of 5th cranial nerve, that is trigeminal nerve. As we know, this nerve is very important towards the supply over whole the face part. Just is trigeminal branches of trigeminal, ophthalmomandibular or maxillary branches. Here, so just we start, or before starting, just we give some theoretical points. Just they trigeminal nerve having two components. One is of sensory and motor. Sensory, which is a part of the ophthalmomandibular maxillary branches or divisions, while we talk about the motor supply, that is of due to the mandibular division mainly. If we talk about the sensory supply just consists of pain, touch, and temperature. So just we examine the over the patient the touch sensation first of all. So just introduce my patient name, that is Harsh Sharma. Say hello.
Hello.
So that is Harsh Sharma. So just we before examining we took the cotton case for just touch over the patient's faces and ask the patient to just indication of follow the my touch sensation by their index finger. ठीक है, हर्ष बताना, मैं जहाँ इसको टच करूँ वहाँ पे बताना कि कहाँ कहाँ पे जस्ट इंडिकेशन फॉलो मैं जहाँ जहाँ करूँ. ठीक है, थोड़ा पास लाइए कैमरा को. Just before starting, just ask the patient, just close your eyes, both the eyes, just and straight forward. So, Harsh, where I put this cotton, just indicate it. Now, mask. Now, तो दैट इज अ इंडिकेशन. ठीक है, वापस पहले मास्क. ठीक है, दैट इज अ टच सेंसेशन. We ask the patient to just indicate that means the all the facial or the divisions of trigeminal that proper function. Next one is that is a sensory supply of the trigeminal. Next one is a motor supply, that is we examine by the muscles of mastication, that is masseter or pterygoid. First we examine the masseter muscles. आप मास्क निकाल लीजिए. So before examining the masseter, just ask the patient to locate forward and clench your teeth. Clench आप ऐसे आप उसको दांत करने के लिए ऐसे आपको बोलेंगे, थोड़ा कैमरा पास लेके आओ, आप दांत क्लेंच कीजिए ऐसे करके बताएंगे. अब दोनों हैंड से आप उसको एग्जामिन करेंगे. दैट्स आप कर पाएंगे कहाँ इसकी जो टाइटनेस है, दैट्स अ मैसेटर मसल्स जो मेस्टिकेशन के लिए काम आती है, अपने चबाने के काम आती है. तो दैट्स अ मैसेटर मसल का एग्जामिनेशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज आती है अपनी टेरिगोड. टेरिगोड में आप क्या करेंगे, आज द पेशेंट टू ओपन हिज माउथ, माउथ को ओपन कीजिए. एंड द मूवमेंट ऑफ लोअर जो टुवर्ड्स आइदर साइड, बोथ एंड लेफ्ट साइड, जब मूवमेंट कीजिए, दैट इज अ वन थिंग दैट वी एग्जामिन. नाउ द अप्लाई द फोर्स विद योर लेफ्ट साइड, जस्ट पुट एंड मूव. अब आप इसको लेफ्ट करने की बोलेंगे, नहीं होगा. अगर राइट करें तो नहीं करूँगा. दैट इज द मीडियल एंड लेटर टेरिगोड मसल्स functions be examined by the lower jaw movement. So friends, these both the examination of sensory as well as motor supply of the trigeminal nerve we examine over the patient, or trigeminal nerve examine sensation over the face over all the three areas. One is ophthalmic, maxillary and the mandibular over the gland. So this is all about the trigeminal nerve. So friends, just we talk about the 3, 4, 6th and 5th cranial nerve. Next video which come with the 7th cranial nerve, which is give later on. So friend, till now we have talk about the 5th cranial nerve towards till 6th cranial nerve. So hope you understand well and your knowledge get built up. So just share with this video with your friends, medicus friends, and gain some knowledge and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.